Hey you guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today is Thursday, February the 19th. We are trying to get this keto wagon back on track. So I haven't filmed a keto video in quite some time. Well, I filmed quite a few keto videos. Let me take that back. I filmed quite a few keto videos, but they haven't made it to YouTube because I've been on and off of keto, you guys. As I've been losing the same 15 pounds since about January. Now, over the holidays, Hakeem and I, we pretty much did whatever we wanted to do. We enjoyed each other, enjoyed the holidays. We would get back on keto, lose weight, fall off of keto, gain weight. So we pretty much been just, I guess, living life. And we moved actually within the past month or so, 2 months or so. So that's a transition in itself. But yeah, I wanted to actually take you guys along my journey this time back on keto. I have lost a total of 96 pounds, so almost 100 pounds, you guys, since doing keto and intermittent fasting. It's been about 1.5 years since I've been on keto, and I pretty much consider myself a veteran to this. Hakeem actually started on keto with me, so he is down a good 30 pounds as well. Yeah, this is definitely going to be a lifestyle change for us. Now, even if we fall off, we always get back on it, and that's pretty much what I want to show you guys. Not us falling off, hopefully, but I want to take you guys along with us this time on the journey. I'm ready to get back serious, get back on track, get back dedicated to doing it. So I thought I could hold myself accountable by vlogging my journey. So right now, making some air fried lemon pepper wings, and I'm gonna pair that with the bacon Caesar salad. Hakeem is on his way home. He actually is going to stop by Publix for me and pick up an Instacart order that I placed for some keto snacks, keto goods, and kind of keep us on track. So I want to show you guys exactly what I'm doing right now. I told you I'm air frying the wings. Let me turn the light on, y'all. It's so dark in my kitchen, so I am sorry about that. And the lighting isn't really any better, but I am frying my chicken right now in the air fryer. I have it on about 380 degrees. I like to fry the chicken in batches of 2, about 10 pieces, 8 to 10 pieces each, again for about 25 minutes. So I have about 9 minutes left on this batch, and actually they're about done. You can see they kind of have a brown coating to them. They're kind of crispy. I can actually let them fry for a little bit longer. I may let them fry for a little bit longer. Y'all, I like my chicken super crispy, and with it cooking in the air fryer, sometimes I'm afraid that it doesn't cook all the way through. It always does, but I'm just used to cooking my chicken on the stove top or in the oven. So yeah, I think I'm gonna let these fry just a little bit longer to brown a little more on this side, and then once they are finished, I'll be able to actually toss them into the lemon pepper sauce, and that sauce is pretty easy. I just used some Kerrygold butter, which is back here, and then some lemon pepper seasoning, and I have some more in my cabinet. So that's what we're doing. I am going to pair that. Let me turn y'all back to me. So I am going to pair the chicken again with my Caesar salad, a bacon Caesar salad. You guys know I like to use a Caesar salad kit. There's no shame in my game. I like to dress it up. It's super quick and easy, especially for lunch. Like, I don't see the harm in using a salad kit. So this is the brand I like to use, Fresh It Spreads. You can pick these up from Publix. Again, just the bacon Caesar. I don't use any of the cheese or the bacon that comes with it. I only use the dressing. And again, I add my own Caesar. I add my own cheese and stuff too. Oh yeah, and bacon bits. Caesar salad. You all can see in every piece of lettuce you're gonna get some cheese. cheese, some bacon, and I like to mix it all up. So I'm gonna go ahead and cover this up until Hakeem gets home so that we can eat together. So yeah, that will be lunch for today. Once babe gets home, I'll go ahead and plate up the food, chicken and a Caesar salad. And for dinner, I don't know what we're going to do. We'll probably get some more chicken, like some hot wings or something, if we do dinner. Honestly, with us eating, with me breaking my fast earlier in the day, I don't too much get hungry in the evening. So that's the good thing about eating earlier. I'm not too much concerned with fasting or doing OMAD this time around, just more so eating healthy or eating keto. Watching those carbs and watching that sugar intake, that's pretty much going to be what I do this time around. Not really too focused on the fasting times. That's going to be it for now. Once we eat again, I'll definitely pick back up the camera and show you guys what is for the next meal. So Hakeem is back from Publix. He wanted me to show y'all his haul, his keto haul. So I told y'all we love these salads. You finna make the sauce for the wings? Yeah. They're done. Okay. So were these buy one get one free?
Yeah.
Girl. So we got 2 bacon Caesar salad kits, some cashews. These are my favorite cashews. If y'all haven't tried cashews, this is such a good keto snack. But if you get carried away, you can definitely go over your carbs. So pay attention to that. But the roasted, salted whole cashews by Emerald, so good. I haven't tried these. Hakeem said he's gonna try these. Salt and pepper. Ew. You think about salt and vinegar. Ew. He has salt and pepper cashews, so maybe they'll be good.
Salt and pepper chips?
No, I've never had salt and pepper chips. Hakeem likes to snack on pepperoni. This is a really good keto snack. I've told y'all that before. And then this is what I really sent him to the store for. If y'all have not tried the salted caramel Rebel ice cream, keto Rebel ice cream, you're missing out. This ice cream is so good. Like, it does not taste keto at all. It tastes like regular ice cream. Definitely try out this flavor in particular. This is my favorite one. And they're always sold out. So like, he picked up 2 of those and then just a vanilla flavor. I think I tried it before. We tried vanilla before, right? It was good. So yeah, that's his keto haul. And he's gonna make the lemon pepper sauce. I put the butter already in the microwave. That's what you're looking for? He's gonna make the sauce. I ain't melted yet. Here's lunch, you guys. That's it. It's a little later in the day and I just wanted to come and update you guys with what I'm snacking on. I know I mentioned earlier that Hakeem picked up some cashews when he went to Publix, so I'm actually going to eat a few of these. I will not measure them out, but I would recommend for you all to measure out your cashews when eating them. For about 28 grams. Yeah, 28 grams of cashews, you get about 7 net grams of carbs, so you definitely can go over these quite easily. So I'll also be having a water along with that. You want to make sure you're filling up on your water throughout the day when on keto, because your body is probably getting used to not eating carbs, so you're going to be hungry throughout the day. So in order to trick your mind into thinking you're full, I like to fill up on as much water as possible. So once we eat dinner, if we eat dinner, I'm still not sure if we'll be eating dinner. I'm not too hungry. But if we eat dinner tonight, I'll definitely come and show you guys what we're eating. Hey you guys, so it is the next morning. I wanted to come and close out the video properly. I didn't get a chance to do so last night. I let you guys know that we weren't too hungry, so I wasn't sure if we would eat dinner, and we did not. So I didn't get a chance to properly close out the video. I do plan on going out to dinner or lunch with a friend this weekend, so I'll definitely take you guys along with me so you guys can see how I make keto work for me when I'm eating out, when I'm at a restaurant. I'll definitely be sure to vlog that. Make sure that you're subscribing to the channel if you're not subscribed and you want to keep up with my keto journey. Also hit the notification bell below, that way you're notified every time I upload a video on keto. I'll link below in my description box a link to my Instagram page. That way you can follow me along day to day to see what I'm eating throughout the day, see what I'm doing over there on Instagram. I do upload on my Instagram stories as often as I can, so if you guys need like motivation in between like the keto videos, definitely follow my Instagram page. But other than that, I will see you all in my next video.